To use bottom left corner action to pause or resume auto click feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. While auto click feature is on, tap pause auto click with and then select bottom left corner action. Now you can easily pause the auto click feature by hovering and stopping the mouse pointer on the bottom left corner of the screen. To resume the auto click feature, hover and stop the mouse pointer again on the bottom left corner of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.